What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you all had a great start of the week, and hopefully this video will help because we will be doing our daily updates on Ethereum. Welcome back, everybody. If you're new to this channel, if you're new to Cilinix Crypto, first of all, welcome. Second of all, I do this daily. I cover Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we go over some of the news in the crypto market for Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also for the price, kind of seeing what's going on and what's most likely to happen. And at one point, for everybody that watches all of these videos, I'm going to stop saying that, but now I just kind of have to introduce every video with that. So yeah, just taking a quick look at Ethereum, you can see that we're down about 3%. If you put that into perspective of the last week, we've just been very flat. Last week has been very unstable because we had that interest rate which went up, and we had further escalation in the war of Ukraine. That all happened, but still we actually managed to hold up. So you could see that as something that is relatively bullish. If we take a look at the price, though, you can see that we've been a little bit more bearish than I expected, or not than I expected, but I expect that we're going to be more bearish than I expected. So that's what we'll cover in this video. Apart from that, excuse me, volume is still amazing at 13 billion, around 13 billion, 8.2% of the market cap. That's not going to stay that way unless we get a big move. But usually it's not that high, and I don't think it's going to keep those levels. So yeah, the thing is, let's just dive right into the price. The thing is, this was my analysis, right? This is still true because you can see I thought we would consolidate between 1350 and 1260, 1250. That's still what we've been doing, all right? So my analysis has still been right. What now would need to happen is that we break above 1300 again, maybe consolidate for a little bit longer, but then within the next 2 or 3 days get up to that 1400 level. And if you actually compare like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can see for both that both are actually pretty bearish. So, I mean, apart from that, the whole market today, we can quickly check that out. So the whole market today was pretty bearish today. You have some tokens going up by 8 and 6%, but apart from that, it's very slow gains, very small gains, and then apart from that, it's all bearish. All right, so it's not looking great already. That's why I expect. I mean, I still expect that move up to 1400 somewhere in the next week. All right, but you have to realize that that could also be the beginning of October. And October, I checked it out in the video on Bitcoin, is a very bullish month for crypto. Over the last 3 years, we've had massive gains, like at least 30–40% in October. So obviously the world is different now, but it says something. So I still think that's going to happen, but whether we are going to stay at these levels and do something like this and then get up there, or whether we are going to drop down to 1200 before we get there is a better question. So the thing is, I mean, apart from that, if you compare Bitcoin and Ethereum still has a lot of support down here. At 1250, at 1200, we have a lot of support. Bitcoin has less support. And then even if that falls, Ethereum has this huge level at 1100 and 1050. I don't expect that will drop down there, but it is possible. Then we still have that safety net. I still think we are going to hold this level. We might drop down to 1200, but I still think that my analysis was partly right, but that we'll just have a little bit more drawdown. And then eventually in October we'll get up to 1400 and maybe even 1500 in the longer term. All right, so that's really for the longer term. So yeah, that's I think everything I wanted to say about Ethereum. No news specific to Ethereum. If anything comes out, you'll definitely hear it from me. But yeah, for now that's my analysis. So I want to wish you all a great week in advance. Obviously, I hope to see you all tomorrow. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and take care. Bye.